Welcome to my YouTube channel. Whether you are here for the first time or you're one of my loyal subscribers, I'm so glad you've joined me today. This channel is all about insert your niche or focus area where we dive deep into a specific topics or content you cover. I'm passionate about bringing you content that's not just informative, but also engaging and inspiring. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exciting videos I have planned. We are building an incredible community here, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. For my returning viewers, thank you for your ongoing support. You're the reason I keep creating and pushing boundaries. Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into today's video. I promise you won't want to miss what's coming up next. In this video I will show you how tourists appreciate this Mount of Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro, the tallest mountain in Africa and one of the most iconic natural landmarks in the world, holds a special place in the hearts of those who experience it. People appreciate Kilimanjaro for a variety of reasons, each of which contributes to its global allure. 1. Breathtaking natural beauty. Kilimanjaro is admired for its stunning natural beauty, which is a remarkable contrast of landscapes. From lush rainforests at the base, filled with diverse wildlife, to the arid desert-like environment of the alpine desert, and finally to the glacier-capped summit, the mountain offers a visual feast that is rare and awe-inspiring. 2. Cultural significance. The mountain holds deep cultural significance for the local Chaga people and other tribes in the region. It is often referred to as the House of God, or Mountain of Greatness in local folklore, symbolizing strength and endurance. Visitors appreciate not just the physical journey but also the cultural insights they gain by interacting with local guides and communities who share stories, traditions, and the mountain's spiritual importance. 3. Adventure and personal challenge. Climbing Mount Kilimanjaro is a bucket list adventure for many, offering a unique challenge that appeals to trekkers, adventurers, and outdoor enthusiasts. The journey to the summit, often considered a life-changing experience, is appreciated for its physical and mental demands. It's not just about reaching the peak, it's about the perseverance and determination it takes to get there. The sense of achievement felt when standing at Uhuru Peak, the highest point, is unparalleled, making the journey up Kilimanjaro one of the most celebrated personal triumphs. 4. Environmental significance. Kilimanjaro is also appreciated for its environmental importance. The mountain's diverse ecosystems, from the montane forests to the fragile glacier, are home to a wide range of plant and animal species, some of which are endemic to the region. Conservation efforts to protect these ecosystems are highly valued, and many climbers and nature lovers appreciate the opportunity to witness and support these efforts firsthand. 5. Global recognition and inspiration. As one of the 7 summits, Mount Kilimanjaro is globally recognized and has inspired countless stories, books, films, and even charitable climbs. Its snow-capped peak, rising majestically above the African plains, is a symbol of natural wonder and human spirit, motivating people around the world to connect with nature and push their limits. 6. A unique blend of accessibility and challenge. Unlike many other high mountains, Kilimanjaro is accessible to a wide range of climbers, from seasoned mountaineers to first-time trekkers. The absence of technical climbing required makes it possible for people of varying skill levels to take on the challenge. Yet, despite its accessibility, the climb remains challenging due to the altitude, making it a perfect blend of adventure and attainability. 7. Shared experiences and community. The communal aspect of climbing Kilimanjaro is another point of appreciation. Climbers often form strong bonds with their fellow trekkers, guides, and porters during the ascent. The shared experience of overcoming challenges, encouraging one another, and celebrating milestones creates a sense of camaraderie that lasts long after the climb is over. Many people cherish these connections as much as the climb itself. 8. Photography and artistic inspiration. Kilimanjaro's dramatic landscapes and varying climates make it a favorite subject for photographers and artists. The play of light on the glacier, the vastness of the savanna below, and the ever-changing weather patterns offer endless opportunities for capturing stunning images. Artists, writers, and photographers are drawn to Kilimanjaro for its ability to inspire creativity and evoke deep emotional responses. 9. Impact on local economy. The appreciation for Kilimanjaro extends beyond its natural beauty and challenges to the positive impact it has on the local economy. Tourism related to the mountain supports thousands of jobs, from guides and porters to hotel staff and artisans. Many visitors take pride in knowing that their journey to the mountain helps sustain communities and contributes to local development. In essence, people appreciate Mount Kilimanjaro not just for its physical grandeur, but for the deep emotional, cultural, and spiritual connections it fosters. It's a place where nature's beauty, human resilience, and cultural richness converge, leaving a lasting impression on all who experience it. Key facts about Mount Kilimanjaro. Height. Mount Kilimanjaro is the tallest mountain in Africa, standing at 5,895 meters, 19,341 feet, above sea level. 7 summits. It is one of the 7 summits, the highest mountains on each of the 7 continents. 3 volcanic cones. Kilimanjaro has 3 volcanic cones, Kibo, the highest, Mwenzi, and Shira. Ecosystem diversity. The mountain features 5 distinct ecological zones: rainforest, heath, moorland, alpine desert, and the Arctic summit. First ascent. The first successful ascent was by Hans Meyer and Ludwig Purchler in 1889. Glacier. Despite being near the equator, Kilimanjaro has glacier at its summit, although they have been rapidly shrinking due to climate change. Wildlife. The lower slopes are home to a variety of wildlife, including elephants, leopards, and buffaloes. Areas to focus on when visiting. Marangu Route, Coca-Cola Route. This is one of the most popular routes to the summit, known for its gradual slope and well-established huts. Along the way, you'll pass through thick rainforests and moorlands before reaching the barren alpine desert. Shira Plateau. An ancient caldera that offers stunning views of the mountain and surrounding landscape. The Shira Plateau is a great spot for photography and is rich in biodiversity, with unique flora and fauna. Barranco Wall. A challenging and exhilarating climb up a steep rock wall, this section of the trek offers some of the most dramatic views on the mountain. It's not technical but requires some scrambling, making it a thrilling part of the journey. Lava Tower. A massive volcanic rock formation at an altitude of about 4,600 meters, 15,091 feet. It's a great place to acclimatize and explore the geological features of the mountain. Uhuru Peak. The summit of Mount Kilimanjaro, where you'll experience the ultimate reward, standing on the highest point in Africa. The view from the top is breathtaking, especially at sunrise. Crater Camp. For the more adventurous, camping in the crater just below the summit provides a unique experience. Here, you can explore the glacier up close and witness the stark, otherworldly landscape of the summit area. Chaga Villages. Spend some time in the villages around the base of Kilimanjaro to learn about the Chaga culture. You can explore traditional homes, coffee farms, and experience the local hospitality. Mweka Route, Descent. After summiting, the descent via the Mweka Route offers a different perspective of the mountain. This route takes you through lush rainforests, where you can spot wildlife and enjoy the diverse flora. Arusha National Park. If you have extra time, a visit to Arusha National Park, located nearby, is worthwhile. You can go on a game drive to see giraffes, zebras, and other wildlife, as well as explore the smaller Mount Meru. When you visit Kilimanjaro, focusing on these areas will give you a deep and immersive experience, combining physical challenge, natural beauty, cultural richness, and an appreciation for one of the world's most iconic mountains.
Are you looking for entertaining and educational content to watch? Subscribe to our YouTube channel today for a variety of interesting videos on topics you love. Join our growing community and never miss out on new uploads. Hit the subscribe button now. Discover new ways to learn and be entertained by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Engage with like-minded viewers and stay updated on our latest videos. Don't miss out, click the subscribe button and be part of our exciting YouTube community.